Hey fam, this is Bishop Dean Nelson, and I am here in front of the United States Court of Appeals here in Washington, D.C. And I'm here to bring some exciting news. Some of you may have seen the reports, may have read just 2 days ago, this court sent out a 3-0 ruling affirming the Frederick Douglass Foundation in our lawsuit against Mayor Bowser and Washington, D.C. You may remember in 2020, after the George Floyd incident, there were many cities that had Black Lives Matter painted on streets all around the country. And here in Washington, D.C., that was the same situation. We had Black Lives Matter Plaza, which still exists today right here in Northwest D.C. Our situation, a few months after that, we painted or attempted to paint with washable paint along with Students for Life of America, Black Preborn Lives Matter. And we did that in front of Planned Parenthood. When we showed up, Mayor Bowser had sent the police. They dared us not to paint or write anything on the sidewalk or in the street. We protested, we did a march, and we had two students from Students for Life that actually began to write Black Preborn Lives Matter right there in front of Planned Parenthood. When that happened, they arrested those students. I began challenging the police for arresting them, and then they took those kids to jail. We filed, along with Students for Life, in that lawsuit challenging the mayor, because if Black Lives Matter can paint their slogans in Washington, D.C. on the streets, why can't we? And then somewhat of a surprise, the United States District Court here, the Circuit Court here in Washington, D.C., the Appeals Court, basically said, hey, you cannot allow for Black Lives Matter to paint in the street and then send police officers and prevent the Frederick Douglass Foundation from actually doing the same thing. And so we were excited about that. We're thrilled that it allows us, along with Students for Life, to move forward in our particular case against DC and Mayor Bowser. So we're really, really excited. This is historic. We even saw that today we got the affirmation from the Wall Street Journal editorial board that said that they're backing our position. So this is exciting news. We are grateful for all of the prayers and support that many of you have provided for us as we continue to move forward. There are a number of cases that we have been involved with at the Supreme Court level, but this one is a huge win for the First Amendment and for free speech. And so we're grateful for all of your support and pray that you would continue to be with us as we stand for righteousness and justice here in Washington, D.C. and all around the nation. Thank you so much. God bless you.